Hi, I'm Helen from the Knit Kit Company, and today I'm going to introduce to you our Clare Cardy pattern. This is the Clare Cardy. It's a beautiful little cardigan for babies and toddlers. In your kit bag, you receive everything you need to make your Clare cardigan. So your kit bag is reusable, it's large, it's spacious, you can fit all your knitting in it. It's a great thing to have to take around with you when you're knitting up a new kit. So the first thing is your Clare Cardy pattern. We've written this pattern to be super easy for beginners to understand, lots of pictures, lots of help and advice. Our Clare Cardy is an easy-ish level pattern, which means it's just a little bit more advanced than some of our others. And that's basically due to the size of the yarn, the size of the needles, and the length of time that it might take someone to do it. Don't be put off though, it's still an easy knit, great challenge for new knitters. As well as the pattern, you receive our Knitstructable booklet, which is a 20-page booklet full of instructions, everything you need to be able to complete one of our kits. Really, really useful. Next, in your kit, you get your yarn. In the Clare Cardy kit, it is a beautiful soft merino wool. It has lovely stitch definition. It's really nice to knit with. It's very soft against the skin. It's ideal for babies and grown-ups. It comes in a beautiful range of colours as well. For the Clare Cardy, we use circular needles. Circular needles just make projects a little bit easier if you've got lots of stitches on the needles. We tell you how to use them, but basically you use them in the same way that you would use straight needles. They're just joined together at the end. The Clare Cardy pattern also asks you to take some stitches off your needles, and these are stitch holders. They look like giant safety pins. We tell you how to use them as well. It's very easy. At the end of your project, you'll need to sew up some very small seams and also maybe weave in a few loose ends. So we give you a tapestry needle. The kit also has a, I've lost my button. It also comes with a button and some tapestry thread for you to sew your button on, so that you can make this gorgeous little Clare Cardy for boys or girls, and it's for newborns up to about age 3, depending on the size of your child. Beautiful, soft, lovely cardigan, and we hope you love making it. Thank you.